Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this messy low updo in about 2 minutes. To start, I've curled the hair and I'm just going to section out the crown area and pop it into a clear elastic band. Clip this out of the way for later, and leaving some hair out at the front of the face, I'm just going to split the remaining hair in half. Now working on that left hand side, I'm just going to pull it into a low ponytail, but on the last turn don't pull the ends all the way through, just pull them part way through so you create a little loop. And then just repeat this on the right hand side. So start by popping the hair into a ponytail, but don't pull the ends all the way through. Release that middle section down and we're going to spray some texture spray all over the head. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below, and then we're just going to loosen everything up by pinching and pulling. Now taking hold of the loop on the right, I'm going to pass my fingers through the middle of the loop and then grab the entire loop from the left and pull it through. Hold this close to the nape of the neck, and then we're just going to use as many bobby pins as needed to pin this all the way around the outside of this little bun. Now there's quite a lot of hair hanging down, so I'm going to take small sections and just wrap them around a bobby pin, and then I'm just going to slip this up into the bottom of the bun, and then we'll just keep repeating this process, making sure that we leave a few little curls loose. I've just finished it off with a few pearl hairpins. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.